Scary Larry. What is that?
A little treat.
You've got a little treat. What's the little treat?
It's Barbie.
It's Barbie! Oh my goodness, you brought Barbie?
I sure did.
Oh my gosh, what are you gonna do with Barbie?
See that volcano?
I do see the volcano.
She's gonna get thrown in there. I'm sacrificing.
You're gonna sacrifice Barbie. This is amazing.
What happens in Vegas?
What happens in Vegas? Stays in Vegas. Hey Barbie, do you have any final last words? Don't throw me in. She doesn't want to go in the volcano, but guess what? We don't care, do we, Scary Larry? Let's sacrifice Barbie. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Stubby! I didn't know Stubby was here. Fire! Burn, Barbie, burn!
Don't forget to become a ding-dong. Ring that notification bell and subscribe so you never miss an episode of The Dead Skeleton Show. Be sure to check out these other great videos